Vectorization in NumPy is crucial for high-performance data science and machine learning. By replacing loops with array operations, you can achieve significant speed improvements. This approach leverages optimized C and Fortran libraries, transforming your code to efficiently utilize modern CPU architectures and memory access patterns, resulting in substantial performance gains. Vectorization is crucial for efficient numerical computing in Python, offering speed improvements of 10x to 100x. It involves replacing loops with array operations, leveraging optimized C and Fortran libraries. This approach transforms code to fully exploit modern central processing unit architectures, single instruction, multiple data instructions, and optimized memory access, achieving significant performance gains over pure Python loops. Python loops incur significant overhead due to type checking and interpreter-level function calls, slowing down computations. For instance, a loop processing 1,000,000 data points can waste seconds. In contrast, vectorized operations in NumPy execute in compiled C, bypassing Python's overhead, achieving native speeds. This efficiency is crucial for handling large datasets effectively. Broadcasting in NumPy allows operations between arrays of different shapes without manual expansion. For example, adding a 1D array to a 2D array automatically broadcasts the smaller array. The rules are pad with ones, stretch dimensions of size 1, and ensure dimensions are equal or 1 is 1. This zero-copy operation optimizes performance. Common broadcasting patterns in NumPy include scalar operations like AR5 and AR plus 10, which apply a single value across an entire array. Row and column operations, such as matrix plus row vector and matrix col vector, broadcast 1D arrays across 2D arrays. Outer products combine two 1D arrays into a 2D array, enhancing array manipulations. NumPy's universal functions, or universal functions, perform element-wise operations on arrays, leveraging optimized C code for efficiency. Arithmetic operations like addition and multiplication, comparison operations for filtering, and mathematical functions such as sine and exponential are all vectorized. This approach eliminates explicit loops, applying functions across entire arrays simultaneously, enhancing performance and simplifying code. Universal functions, or UFuncs, are essential for vectorized computing, offering fast element-wise operations. Mathematical UFuncs like np.add and np.sqrt are optimized for hardware-level performance. Comparison UFuncs, such as np.grader, facilitate advanced filtering. Aggregate UFuncs, including np.sum and np.mean, perform reductions. UFuncs support in-place operations with the out parameter, enhancing efficiency. Boolean indexing in NumPy allows efficient data filtering and selection. Create a Boolean mask using comparison operations, like data4, to extract elements such as 5, 8, 9. Modify elements conditionally, e.g., data3, gainers 0. Use multiple conditions with logical operators to refine selections, similar to SQL where clauses. Advanced indexing in NumPy allows for complex data manipulation without loops. Fancy indexing uses integer arrays to select arbitrary elements, while multidimensional indexing selects from multiple axes. Index broadcasting combines arrays and integers for intricate selections. These methods can return views or copies, impacting memory efficiency and potential side effects. The np.where function acts as a vectorized if-else, selecting elements from arrays based on conditions, thus avoiding loops. For example, np.where r4, r0 replaces elements not meeting the condition with 0. It's also useful for handling outliers, replacing them with the median in data preprocessing, enhancing efficiency in data pipelines. Reduction operations like sum, mean, and standard deviation transform high-dimensional data into summary statistics, essential for statistical analysis. Use axis parameters to specify direction, axis year 0 for column-wise, axis year 1 for row-wise. Cumulative functions like emp.cumSum and emp.cumProd provide running totals, crucial for feature engineering and machine learning. NumPy's linear algebra operations are essential for machine learning, leveraging basic linear algebra subprograms and linear algebra package libraries. Use arrays for matrix multiplication, np.matmul, or np.dot for 2D arrays. Differentiate element-wise from matrix, Karkvarv, multiplication. Key operations include transpose, inverse, determinant, eigenvalues, and solving linear systems. These underpin algorithms like linear regression and neural networks. Computing pairwise distances is crucial in machine learning tasks like k-nearest neighbors and clustering. A naive Python loop for Euclidean distance takes 10 seconds for 1000 by 1000 arrays. Partially vectorized code reduces this to 1 second. Fully vectorized, leveraging NumPy's broadcasting, achieves 0.1 seconds, demonstrating the power of vectorization. NumPy arrays use contiguous memory blocks, optimizing cache efficiency. C order stores rows contiguously, while Fortran order stores columns. Operations along these axes benefit from cache locality. Use AR.flags to check memory order. Strides indicate byte skips per dimension, crucial for identifying views versus copies. Views share memory, enhancing speed, whereas fancy indexing creates slower copies. Memory allocation in NumPy can be costly. Views, like simple slicing and reshaping, share memory and are efficient. However, operations like fancy indexing and concatenation create copies, consuming more resources. Use AR.base to determine if an array is a view or a copy, ensuring optimal performance and avoiding unexpected behavior. Einstein summation with NumPy.einsum offers a powerful, concise way to perform complex array operations. It excels in tasks like matrix multiplication, tensor contractions, and custom reductions. For instance, NumPy.einsum, ij, jk, ik, a, b, efficiently multiplies matrices A and B. Mastering Einsum provides a versatile toolset for optimizing array computations. Performance profiling is crucial before optimization. Use tools like %timeit and timeit.timeit to measure execution time. Check memory usage with ar.nbytes and %memit. Employ cprofile to identify bottlenecks. Benchmark different implementations with realistic data sizes to determine the most efficient solution. This ensures targeted and effective performance improvements. When NumPy vectorization reaches its limits, consider NumPy just-in-time compilation to convert Python functions into machine code, enhancing performance for complex logic. For tasks exceeding single-core capabilities, leverage parallel processing with multiprocessing or joblib. For massive arrays, QPy offers a NumPy-compatible application programming interface on Compute Unified Device Architecture graphics processing units. For ultimate speed, write critical sections in C-Python. Image processing with NumPy efficiently handles millions of pixels. Convert images to grayscale using vectorized operations, adjust brightness, and detect edges with the Sobel filter. Batch process multiple images simultaneously, achieving rapid results without explicit loops. These techniques demonstrate the power of vectorization in handling complex image transformations swiftly. Feature engineering in machine learning transforms raw data into meaningful inputs efficiently. Vectorization enables z-score normalization, min-max scaling, and robust scaling on large datasets. Polynomial features, binning, and one-hot encoding are vectorized to handle millions of rows seamlessly, ensuring no performance degradation while enhancing model input quality. Growing arrays in loops with np.append or emp.concatenate is inefficient. Pre-allocate arrays instead. Broadcasting can lead to large temporary arrays, so be cautious of memory overhead. Over-vectorizing may slow down small arrays due to function call overhead. Remember, slices are views. Use .copy for independence. Check array contiguity with .flags to avoid unnecessary copies. Think in arrays, not loops. Reframe problems as array operations to find vectorized alternatives. Leverage broadcasting with np.newAxis and reshaping to align dimensions, eliminating manual expansion. Pre-allocate output arrays using np.zeros or np.empty. Profile performance with %timeit and memory profilers, optimizing bottlenecks. Document complex operations to clarify vectorized code. For complex element-wise operations, Vectorize offers convenience, not speed. Define a function like complex transform for varied conditions. Use Vectorize for readability, specifying output types for efficiency. Alternatively, piecewise can handle conditions. For performance, consider NumPy's Vectorize decorator, which compiles functions for faster execution. In a practical scenario, vectorization efficiently computes rolling statistics for financial data, generate daily prices, calculate returns, and use stride tricks for rolling windows. Compute rolling mean, standard deviation, MN, and max. Bollinger Bands are derived, and trading signals identified using vectorized Boolean logic. This approach processes 1 million data points swiftly, showcasing vectorization's power. Vectorization requires a mindset shift to array operations, unlocking NumPy's potential. Broadcasting eliminates loops by mastering shape alignment. Understanding memory layout, views, and copies prevents performance issues. Profile to identify bottlenecks before optimizing. Combine techniques like Boolean indexing and universal functions to eliminate loops. For specialized cases, consider NumPy, multiprocessing, or graphics processing unit acceleration.